Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm in eastern Fisher County in west central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Itsen, or 10 miles northeast of Route EAS, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, there we go. There we go. It's up there. Tornado warning. Oh, my God. No. But first tornado warning is probably still have a tornado watch, but we barely just got a new tornado. Severe thunderstorm warning.
You are close enough to be struck by lightning. To report severe weather, contact your local enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for west central Texas. At 6 p.m., skies were cloudy.
Here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Throw it away. Bye. Bye. Okay, I think we should start going because, Mom,